This house located on small part of South Street. It's called Veterans Way, and it's located. Now going outside again, and this apartment have two entrances from inside and from outside. This is enclosed porch, and through French doors we come into apartment. Living room, very large living room. Bedroom. This is door going to corridor. All new replacement window. And kitchen with new refrigerator. Bathroom. And now you see our neighbors is condominium association. My car is parked on the right side of this is very wide driveway.